upbeat music plays. Scene opens with a bright, colorful background featuring the Shark S3501 on the left and the TVD steam cleaner on the right. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can shop like a pro. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. Camera zooms in on the Shark S3501. On this side, we have the Shark S3501. This little beauty is like the ninja of mops, quick, stealthy, and ready to pounce on dirt before it even knows what hit it. Camera shifts to the TVD Steam Cleaner, and on the other side, we have the TVD Steam Cleaner. This beast is like the Hulk of steam cleaning. Big, powerful, and capable of smashing through grime with sheer force. It's cleaning on steroids. Well, not really, but you get the point. Scene changes to split screen with both products. Let's see which one comes out on top in this epic cleaning battle. Buckle up, it's about to get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 is priced at a sweet $89, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is a whopping $179. Reviewers say that the Shark is a great value for its performance, especially for those on a budget. In contrast, the TVD, while more expensive, is praised for its versatility and professional-grade results, making it worth the investment for many users. Now, let's get into steam power. The Shark S3501 transforms water into superheated steam in just 30 seconds, making it a quick and effective option for everyday cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this fast heating time and its efficiency on hard floors. Meanwhile, the TVD takes 8 minutes to heat up but offers an impressive 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Users rave about its powerful steam that can handle tough grime, giving it an edge for larger jobs. Speaking of capacity, the Shark holds 450 milliliters of water, which is decent for quick cleanups. Reviewers note that it is sufficient for smaller spaces, but it requires frequent refills for larger areas. On the other hand, the TVD boasts a massive 52 ounces tank, allowing for extensive cleaning sessions without interruption. Users love that they can clean an entire house without needing to stop and refill, which is a significant advantage. Let's talk versatility. The Shark is designed for sealed hard floors, hardwood, tile, laminate, you name it. Reviewers commend it for its effectiveness on these surfaces, but the TVD is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. It tackles everything from floors to upholstery and even wallpaper removal. Users highlight its multifunctionality as a major selling point, especially for those who need a comprehensive cleaning solution. And speaking of versatility, the TVD comes with 28 accessories, making it a cleaning party. Reviewers are impressed with the range of tools included, which allow for various cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Shark comes with just 2 microfiber pads. Great for basic cleaning, but not nearly as exciting as the TVD's accessory extravaganza. Users appreciate the simplicity of the Shark, but recognize that it lacks the comprehensive options of the TVD. Overall, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness on hard floors, making it a great choice for quick cleanups. However, some users noted its limitations in tackling tougher stains and lack of features like an on-off switch. In contrast, the TVD Steam Cleaner shines in versatility and power, with many reviewers recommending it for larger, more demanding cleaning tasks. Although it comes with a higher price tag, its performance and range of accessories make it a worthwhile investment for serious cleaners. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for a quick, efficient mop that won't break the bank, the Shark S3501 is your guy. But if you want a powerful steam cleaner that can tackle any mess and have a blast while doing it, the TVD is your best bet. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what you need. Do you want a fast and furious cleaning experience or a full-blown cleaning arsenal? Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember, whether you choose the Shark or the TVD, you'll be cleaning up like a pro. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description below.